This is Chasing M2 Pro Max, an industrial-grade underwater ROV designed with exceptional expandabilities. Provides innovative solutions for underwater search and rescue, vessel and hull inspections, aquaculture and fish farming, hydro dam, reservoir and water utility inspections, environmental protection survey, offshore wind farms inspection and monitoring. With 5 ports available, Chasing M2 Pro Max allows users to mount 5 accessories at one time. It is developed to easily attach multiple add-ons, and it works well with over 20 kinds of accessories exclusive to Chasing ROVs. Chasing M2 Pro Max ROV provides the flexibility to easily attach and detach accessories with payload skid structure. It enables quick mounting and quick release, so as to make the truly rapid deployment possible. Chasing shore-based power supply system is available for the need to power the ROV longer. It features increased output power of 1500 watts. Its structure design resembles cylinder battery compartment so that it can be easily assembled and put into use. The power can be continuously supplied for the full power operation of the underwater ROV. Chasing Pro Max is a powerful underwater platform with outstanding expandability. When equipped with imaging sonar, the scan of terrain or detection and recognition of target objects beyond the capability of visual sight can be done in low visibility underwater conditions. Mounted with USB-L underwater positioning system, the ROV location coordinates can be acquired in real time, and the movement trajectory can be accurately recorded. With the compatible DVL Doppler rangefinder, the ROV can be navigated to work at the accurate location, no matter whether there is environmental interference or shifting positioning. Attached with the second-generation robotic grippers, which has several alternative tool heads, such as 2 jaw clamps, pull rings, and sediment samplers. When equipped with Chasing Distance Lock Sonar, it can achieve the function of locking distance and anti-collision in the inspection, thus making the operation process easy and intelligent. In the environmental protection industry, Chasing M2 Pro Max can work with attached water quality sampler and water quality sensor. The multi-parameter sonda and Chasing water sampler can take water samples up to 500 milliliters, can collect in real-time pH value, dissolved oxygen, turbidity, conductivity, salinity, and other data. Chasing M2 Pro Max is perfect for long dives up to 200 meters deep. Its maximum radius of movement can reach 400 meters. Using tethers of varied lengths, the ROV can be applied in various kinds of underwater missions and accomplish more in underwater work. Chasing second-generation anti-stuck motor features new technology that ensures increased 30% stronger power and more reliable anti-stuck performance. The exterior 8,000 lumen LED floodlights eliminate more details in low visibility conditions. They can be set up expanded or folded depending on different needs. When they are extended, dual floodlights can achieve the optimal beam angle of 150 degrees. Under this condition, it effectively resolves the problem of visual interference caused by the reflection of floating matter in the water. When the lights are folded, the ROV can move flexibly in confined or narrow spaces. In addition, Chasing waterproof touchscreen remote control, which significantly improves the user and visual experience. The distinguished features include built-in ultra-high bright scenes, being water-resistant, capabilities to see the real-time images and filming, capacity to operate at high and low temperatures, and so on. Chasing M2 Pro Max, the industrial-grade underwater ROV platform system, is designed for empowering multiple industries and guarding for safety. Its reliability and powerful performance makes the underwater explorations easier. Chasing M2 Pro Max, industrial-grade underwater ROV, easy to use and powerful.